Good morning and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, and this is your financial market update for Tuesday, January 6, 2026. Today, we are tracking significant shifts in institutional crypto adoption from major US banks, a shakeup in the luxury retail sector, and new geopolitical developments regarding Venezuelan oil that could impact energy and mining markets. Let's get straight to the facts. Segment: Crypto markets and institutional adoption. Starting with the digital asset markets, Bitcoin is seeing renewed volatility as it tests price levels between $92,000 and $94,000. Data indicates this price action is supported by increased whale activity and significant institutional flows. Specifically, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has recorded its largest inflow in 3 months. This momentum follows a record-breaking year for derivatives. CME Group reported that its average crypto derivatives volume hit a record $12 billion in 2025. Additionally, the meme coin sector is currently outperforming the broader crypto market, with tokens like Shiba Inu registering double-digit gains over the weekend. On the institutional side, a major policy shift has gone into effect at Bank of America. As of today, wealth advisors at the bank are now permitted to recommend Bitcoin ETFs to clients. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs has updated its outlook on crypto exchanges, upgrading Coinbase stock to a buy, which triggered an 8% rally, while simultaneously downgrading eToro to neutral. Segment: Equities and corporate news. Turning to traditional equities, investors are reviewing the final performance data from last year. Reports show that the performance of crypto-linked IPOs in 2025 actually dragged the overall IPO sector performance below that of the S&P 500. In corporate news, Capri Holdings, the parent company of Michael Kors, Jimmy Choo, and Versace, has reported another quarterly loss. Amidst these financial results, the company announced that CEO John Idle is preparing to step down. In the technology sector, market attention remains focused on semiconductor giant Nvidia, as traders assess its valuation entering the 2026 fiscal year. Segment: Commodities and global policy. Finally, in the commodities and energy sector, there are significant developments involving Venezuela. The Trump administration has ordered Venezuela to reimburse US oil companies for assets that were previously seized. This geopolitical shift is being watched closely by various sectors. Analysts at Bitfinex have noted that US access to Venezuelan oil reserves could eventually drive down energy costs specifically for Bitcoin mining operations. Concurrently, shipping data indicates that crude tankers have begun departing Venezuelan waters bound for China. Outro. That brings you up to speed on the major financial stories for Tuesday, January 6, 2026. Thank you for tuning in to Financial Booklet for your factual market updates. If you found this report helpful, please join us again for our next update. Have a productive day in the markets.